Hi, I'm Travis, and this is my Tacoma. And today, we're not doing anything with my truck. We're actually going to be restoring an axe that I got off the old Facebook Marketplace. Now, I posted part one of this restoration, which was really just a vinegar bath and a wire brush. So after the bath and the brush, I needed some better equipment, some better tools to get this job done. So I went to Harbor Freight, got sandpaper, I got a couple of files, I got a wire brush for the drill, and a little electronic rotary tool. Alrighty folks, progress report. I'm pretty happy. This stuff's pretty chewed up. Not sure how we're getting all that off, but this edge is pretty solid right here. Look at that. Still gotta clean it up a good bit. Need to get a sharpening stone to this thing, but the file did pretty good. I'm not sure what lost more material. The file, I don't know, you can't really see that. This thing was brand new yesterday. You can kind of compare and contrast here. I think the file took the worst of the beating here. There we go, folks. Pretty sure that says plumb, but can't get those pits quite out. This is still pretty jagged on this side. I think this side looks, oh, it's got the little grooves on it there. I feel like it's got a decent edge on it at this point. This side might be better. Oh yeah, baby. So, let's see if we can chop some wood. I missed. Woo! All right, it can chop wood, but can it slice paper? Not so good. Okay, that's okay. This side's much better. Still a little jagged. Let's see what this guy can do. So there's a rough side and a smooth side. Let's start with the rough. Everyone loves this little arm hair test. Not quite there yet. Womp womp. Overall, I'm really happy with where we're at. I still need to get some Next up, we're gonna get some linseed oil, probably sand the handle down, finish that up really nice, and then bluing as well. A little kind of like a rust prevention, kind of cleaning agent. If you have any recommendations or tips on restoration, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more, make sure and hit that subscribe button below.